Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are watching this video. A warm welcome to the virtual open days hosted by Modul University Vienna. We are very pleased that you are interested in our study programs. In this presentation, I will give a short introduction to a course that is included in the specialization in the hotel management as well as in the hotel management and operation, namely strategic hotel management. My name is Dr. Hrankai. I'm an assistant professor, senior lecturer at the Department of Tourism and Service Management of the Modul University Vienna. Most hotels and restaurants compete aggressively with other operations that is considered as the competitive set. These operations produce services of similar quality to the property you are managing. And perhaps they charge similar prices too. As a general rule, you probably compare your rates and performance metrics with those of your competitive set. However, consumers' responses to pricing in a competitive set is more complicated than one might expect. In this course, students learn and practice how to operate a hotel on a dynamic market. Functioning as a capstone subject, this course draws on many topics covered in the first 2 years of the undergraduate program. In seminars, students will deepen possible prior knowledge on organizations with a dedicated focus on hotel businesses. Thus, the course aims include as follows: understanding the organizational foundations of successful hotel management, developing and understanding the financial decision-making, and their impact on the hotel's performance. The course follows an experiential learning approach, utilizing an online hotel simulation program. The seminars are designed in a way that students can refresh their knowledge on organizational and managerial matters specific to the hotel industry. The simulation software provides a risk-free environment in which business decisions can be made and reflected upon. Students work in groups, resembling a competitive environment, striving to enhance the performance of the hotel. Teams of students are formed that compete with each other in real time and within the realistic market dynamics of a competitive set of hotels. As in a real market, the competitive strategies and decisions of each hotel affect both its results and the results of all the other hotels in the competitive set. A hotel's market share, revenue share, and financial results depend on the hotel's ability to construct, promote, and deliver a competitive price-value proposition to the market. In total, 24 months are simulated. In this course, business decisions are made on a quarterly basis. The areas of decisions include, for example, making room and revenue forecasts, setting up rates for different distribution channels, deciding on capital investments, spending on marketing, also on advertising. So in a sense, students experience what it is like to be a management team of a hotel. Next, let's take a look at the simulations interface. The Strategic Hotel Management course is based on a hotel simulation program, REVSIM, a leading hotel simulation software. Before showing some details of REVSIM, I'd like to describe the scenario. Teams are the general management teams of hotels that are not brand new on the market. These are hotels that have been in existence for approximately 8 years. Each team is taking over the hotel, which has been underperforming. Reasons for the hotel not performing well could be that, for example, the employees have been not trained well, the hotel is not getting its fair share on the market, and it is not able to maximize its rates or occupancy. So the task of the team is to take over the hotel and turn it around. That is, the teams should make the hotel as successful as possible. Now, let's continue with some of the functionalities of REVSIM. Business decisions are not made on an ad hoc basis. Instead, they should be linked to the hotel's historic financial performance. On the screen, we see the Information tab, where the general market dynamics are shown, including, for example, the market outlook for the upcoming quarter. Based on the information that is at the team's disposal, the areas of decision-making concern various aspects of hotel management, including rooms forecast, channel management, F&B forecast, or expenditure on marketing and advertising. Let's look at, for example, the Rooms Forecast tab. In practice, this means that the teams need to estimate what the business pickup will be for the upcoming quarter. The main objective should be that the fair market share is achieved. The complexity arises that the estimates need to be entered for each market segment. In the lower part of this tab, the room rates for each distribution channel should be defined and entered. Because consumer segments tend to book hotels through different distribution channels, defining the room rates for the various channels is a challenging task. Teams need to carry on with the decisions and enter the estimated values in the different areas of decision making by the deadline. Then the inputs are simulated, which means that the results of the predicted business pickup is realized. So let's look at some of the reports that are at the team's disposal. In general, a large amount of information is available from the software, and teams need to find and interpret the information that is necessary for the decision making for the upcoming quarter. For example, on the Business Performance tab, an overview of the hotel's performance is obtained. Here, the first table displays the financial highlights, including, for example, revenues per department or occupancies. Other sections of the reports consist of further breakdowns of different performance metrics. In addition to numerical reporting, the software further displays information in the form of charts. For example, this chart shows the pricing trend between all hotels in the market for the specified market segment. In evaluating the performance or drawing conclusions, these charts provide very useful and easily interpretable information. Since hotel guests typically seek value for their money, the price value map provides information how the subject hotel is doing compared to the hotels on the market based on price and quality. This piece of information is displayed on this chart. As you can see from this quick tour on REVSIM, hotel management in a dynamic environment is a quite challenging but rewarding task. Once again, my name is Dr. Richard Hrankai. Should you have any questions about the hospitality program, please feel free to get in touch with me. My contact details can be found on this slide. This is the end of this presentation. Thank you for watching this video.